So I'm Talon Souter down here with 360 Yield Center in North Carolina with John. We just put a dash system on his planter and we're getting him ready to plant some corn. So John, if you don't mind, would you mind sharing with us some about your planter, your operation, and how you started fertilizer?
This is a 1795 exact merge planter, 40 foot wide, 31 rows. We're on 15-inch corn. So we've been using starter fertilizer for several years. And going into 15-inch corn, our starter fertilizer is a little bit inefficient with our seed spacing. Our seed spacing is close to 13, 14 inches in row. And when you're drilling starter fertilizer there, you're not using a lot of that starter fertilizer. So that's kind of why we spoke with y'all, asked you about the dash system. Here we are today.
Okay. So you're basically hoping to save a lot by just putting a little bit on your seeds in between. You got 13 inches in between. You're just shooting for a couple inches on each seed.
Yep. When you're on 30-inch rows, if you go to 15, theoretically you should double your starter fertilizer application to keep the concentration the same in row.
Yeah.
That's a lot of money. We did not do that actually. We stayed with the same rate, so we're basically cutting our rate in half row for row.
Sure.
So we're probably not getting enough starter fertilizer out there. And then when you start looking at seed spacing, instead of 6 inches apart, we're 13, 14 inches apart, depending on your population. So we're probably wasting 75-80% of our starter fertilizer. If Greg is right and corn only uses that 2 or 3 inches of starter fertilizer, then we're wasting a lot of starter fertilizer.
Sure.
So a system like Dash, we can get our concentration back up where it needs to be, even though we're on 15-inch rows, and we're still going to reduce the amount of starter fertilizer that we're using.
Sure.
It's what we're hoping. So
Good deal.
got the system on today. We tested it. It looks good. It looks very promising. We're hitting seed consistently. So